Quebec Echo, QSO.
Sierra Yankee 1, Delta Queen Echo, good morning, very strong signal, 5959, my name is Vito, Victoria, Italy, Tango, Ontario, Mike, back to you.
Good morning, Victor. My name is Yanis. QTF Athens. I copy you strong and clear. 59 plus 5. Florida 4, Whiskey Bravo uniform. This is Sierra Yankee 1, Delta Quebec Echo. Back to you.
Roger, also very strong, 59 plus, very strong and beautiful modulation. Okay, thank you for contact, all the best to you and your family, 73, bye-bye, Kalimera, Kalispera.
Bye, 73. Have a nice day.
Thank you, have a nice day. QRZ, Fox 4, Whiskey Bravo uniform. Sierra Victor 8, Sierra Yankee, India, good morning, thank you. 5959, your signal, my name is Vito. Victoria, Italy, Tango, Ontario, Mike, back to you.
Good morning, Vigo. Good morning from Greece and Lesbos Island, northeast in the Aegean Sea. 59 your signal, very good here, very good. Thank you for the contact.
Thank you. Also very good, very strong signal, 59 plus. Thank you for contact, all the best to you and your family, 73, bye-bye, Kalimera, Kalispera.
Thank you, Kalimera.
Thank you, QRZ, Florida 4, Whiskey Bravo uniform. Golf Whiskey 0, Romeo Queen Charlie, good evening, thank you, very strong signal, 5959, my name is Vito. Victoria, Italy, Tango, Ontario, Mike UTH, Nice, Nancy, Italy, Charlie, Echo, this is French Riviera, Mike, back to you.
Afternoon or evening, I think it is for you now, Vito, and thank you for the 559, and you are also 559 in Cardiff, the capital of Wales. Scandinavia is Robert. Back to you, Vito, Foxtrot 4, Whiskey Bravo uniform, Golf Whiskey 0, Romeo, Quebec, Charlie.
Please repeat your name.
Name is Robert, Romeo, Oscar, Bravo, Echo, Romeo, Tango.
Roger, Robert, thank you for nice report. Robert, what is your antenna and power?
Antenna is an N-fed, a dedicated N-fed for 17 meters. And my power at this moment is about just under 600 watts. So, Roger?
Roger, thank you for information. I use it 100 watt, Transceiver YAESU FT891, and the mobile antenna on balcony. My antenna MFJ 1617 in horizontal. Maybe 12 or 15 meter over ground high. Thank you, Robert, for contact. All the best to you and your family, 73, bye-bye. Have a nice evening.
Roger, Vito. Yes, all noted on your working conditions. Doing a great job there with the power that you have there. I wish you 73 and I look forward to our next QSO. Foxtrot 4, Whiskey Bravo uniform. Golf Whiskey 0, Romeo, Quebec, Charlie, wishing you 73.
Thank you, 73, bye-bye. Florida 4, Whiskey Bravo United, QRZ 17. Sierra Papa 6, Echo Ontario, thank you very much. Good evening, booming, 59 plus. My name is Vito, Victoria, Italy, Tango, Ontario. Mike, back to you.
Roger. Good evening. Report 59, big signal. Nam is Zbyszek, Poland. Sierra Papa 6, Echo Ontario. Thank you, 73.
Roger. What is your antenna power?
Antenna hex beam, Transceiver YAESU Fox Tango 991 Alpha, 100 watt.
Very good, very strong signal. I use it also YAESU, my Transceiver FT891, only 100 watt, and mobile antenna on balcony. My antenna MFJ 1617. In horizontal on balcony, maybe 12 or 15 meter over ground high. Thank you for contact, all the best to you, 73, bye-bye, have a nice evening.
73, ciao, big signal.
73, bye-bye, QRZ, Foxtrot 4, Whiskey Bravo uniform. Florida 4, Whiskey Bravo uniform. Florida 4, Whiskey Bravo uniform. Roger, Roger, good evening to you. 5527, 5527, Roger. Roger, Roger, 55, thank you for contact, all the best, 73, bye-bye.
Bye.
73, bye-bye.
Oscar,